Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, how are you? I pray to a God He save you, your family and friends. I tell you, Android smartphone secret code and secret setting. My English language is not good, but I try to your understanding. I hope to you understand my meanings. I think you are response is very good because my subscriber or followers are established day and night. Today I tell you Realme secret code, so please new viewers take a subscriber and icon and press bell icon and like and comments and press show my videos please. So we go to first of all star hash 06 hash mi कोड के लिए हम IMEI कोड this is your device is IMEI code and number 2 star hash 07 hash. This is code you show display is weight and kg. You understand this code is y. Next code star hash 1234 hash. This code is color version. This code all any Android mobiles working perfectly. Next code star hash 6776. Your display is you see our display. I tell you not any thing. You see all the this code version boiled date your device name version OS version color version any one many more this code. After this code and next code is star hash 800 hash. This code is very important for you because you want a complete device information, so dial star hash 800 hash. This code is oppo device, so apply please also and enjoy anything any your device. Okay, take care and last of all please subscribe my channel and see my all videos, like share comments. Your comments is very important for me. You ask me why, I tell you you are thinking you are think on me. I think you are me and I understand my mistakes, so kindly subscribe my channel. God bless you and you pray to me. please. And I hope to Allah, I hope to God, He save you and your family and anything is also okay. God bless you. Good night. Good day.